Guess who did this? Ow, 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 it was Hopi. Beautiful CVPs, welcome to my channel. I'm Carolin Petzholdt. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell and hit the notification. All the buttons, just hit. Okay guys, without further ado, I have the birds right here in my car. Let's get them out, let's get flying. Last time I was in this space right here. Check out this video. Where is Love? Oh my gosh, such a bird. Look at him. Big bird right there. Guys, guess who did this? Ow, 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 it was Hopi. Just right before I put him in the car, Hopi didn't want to come, so he bit me real hard and I just put a bandage around it. The thing I could find in the car is just a mask. So this is me, guys. I have to bandage myself up. Everything has to go fast. I just found this mask in the car. My finger was bleeding because Hope bit me so hard. And then check this out. This is what Destiny did this morning to me, and this is what Hope did this to me. You see how bad is it? And this was guys, it's bad. Wow. You see this? This is what Hopi just did. He did break the skin. He did break the skin. You can see it's still bleeding. Oh, it's still bleeding. So I'm gonna put this back in the mask just because I'm free flying right now and I don't want it to get infected. And I don't have any other bandage here, so everything has to go fast. And has just to work. The nice thing, there's a wire in it, so it keeps everything nice and smooth and in the right position. Also guys, the weather report says it will rain, and it did have some slow rain right now, but it's nothing too bad. This is Hope's GPS. Never fly them without GPS anymore. Don't want to lose my birds. I mean, he can sit up in the tree. Hope knows how to come down, but Love doesn't. Where's Hopi? Hopi, come up. So always control the situation. Never just leave everything up to chances. Hopi, come. Hi, Hopi wants to come out. Hi, Hopi. Oh, his nails are so sharp. I should have clipped his nails. Hi, Hopi, you bit me. Ow, ow. No, don't bite me again. Should we go get Love? Love! Where's Love? Okay. Let's put Love's GPS on him. So this is ready to go. Love has a little backpack. This is GPS. He won't have a tail mount. He doesn't tolerate the tail mount, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay. So Hopi's GPS is already ready. You see that? It's blinking blue. Hopi's easy. It's just clip in there. Just clip in here. That's it. So easy. Hello. Hello. Looking at my birds? Good morning. Good morning. Hi, we're gonna fly them. I'm not gonna push Love. If Love doesn't want to fly anymore, I won't push him. He has to go take off on his own. If he doesn't take off on his own, chances are he doesn't want to fly. So it's very important to read your body's language of your bird. And I didn't do that. I forced him to fly at third round because I thought, come on, I drove so far for you to fly. Go enjoy flying. And he did, but he got exhausted because he flew big rounds. Okay, so this is the spot. I got Hopi fly first. and let Love just watch before I release him off his horse. He's already ready, look. He's already spreading his wings. You wanna go fly, Love? Yeah? Okay guys, we are here. I am gonna release Hopi first. Come on, Hopi. Don't tangle up. Oh, and then I have my whistle right here. This is the sign, guys. Okay? This is the home sign, yeah? To come back. So I let them hear this first. Yeah. Also, I let them sit for a while, observe this place. They know it already. Seeing if there's no bird traffic. No bird traffic. This is the perfect day to free fly birds. It's overcast. The weather report says it's gonna rain 70%. Here's no rain. This is perfect. Okay, guys. So Hope. Love his harness. Okay, Love. Love your harness. Good. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna do slow motion. 1, 2, 3. Go! Go, Hopi! Go, go, go! There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Good! He did that. Good. Hopi! Come on! Hopi! Come on! Whee! Hopi's having fun. Good. Okay guys, this was good. First flight, got both of my birds back. They did really good. Now should be fine. I had to take off my band-aid, my mask band-aid. Okay, now there's a little bit of wind. If Love doesn't want to go anymore, that's it. I will not let Love go. But where? Hopi! Hopi, what? Come. Hopi's nails are also very, very sharp. Let's have some flipping. Okay, come fly. Good boy, Hopi. Look. Good boy. Hi, good boy. Good. Nice. Good. Hopi has so much more endurance. Good. Good job. So the sun is coming out. It's gorgeous. We just had a snack. And I'll do one more flight with Love. Let's see if he wants to go fly. One more flight with Hope. And then we'll call this a day. Alright, you guys? Are you gonna fly? Hope he just took off by himself. I have to wait now to fly Love because I'm not gonna fly Love by himself. Gonna wait for Hopi to catch his breath so those two can fly together one last flight. So we'll be at already 3 flights. So the 4th will be his last. And then Love will just have 2 flights. But Love didn't take off with him, so we'll just wait. Yeah, catch your breath and wait. Good. It's very important to have them catch their breath. You can see right now Hopi is panting. So he has to catch his breath before he can go again. Yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah. Hello. Hello. They both came back. Hopi has so much more endurance. Love had 2 flights. Hopi had 4 flights. Let's call this a day. This was great. I'm not going to take any chances anymore. They're both happy, happy. They're both panting. Good job. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Go subscribe. Also ANGELICPARROTS.com. Hit the notification button. I'll see you next day in a new episode. I will see you on another day on a new episode of Carolin on Petzholdt. Thank you for tuning in. Love and Hope right here. Guys, they did great. Love didn't fly on a tree. Go get my book, ANGELICPARROTS.com. You get a whole beautiful knowledge of bird behavior and bird education and free fly education. Everything you need to know to get your bird started up in the air. I love you and I see you in the next episode of Carolin on Petzholdt. Bye. Mwah.